We just wanted to show you the welcome package that we got in our new suite. Some lovely chocolates and macaroons, some fresh juice and fruit, and a lovely note. We appreciate your loyalty as an IHG Diamond Elite member. It's our pleasure to have you staying with us again, and all of us look forward to taking good care of you. Enjoy your stay. Yes, we really love this hotel. I'm going to show you the room tour of our suite. Right as you walk in, you have all the controls, just like the other room. You have the housekeeping button, and you have the do not disturb button. And then behind the door, you have the kitchen. So we have in this suite a full-size refrigerator with a freezer and a fridge. And they have all of the pay items, little mini bar type items. Also have some more mini bar type items up here. In this suite, you get the microwave, you get a cooktop. So if we wanted to cook some meals here, we could do that. You still get the Keurig coffee maker and the teapot. You get a little bit different teas. And then you have 4 waters. And you got plenty of cabinet space underneath as well. And then you have a bathroom right off the side here. A full bathroom and a nice sliding door, so you can have some privacy. So you have the rain head shower, you've got all the nice shower products, and then you have your full sink, lighted mirror. They have the hairdryer underneath the cabinet just like the other bathroom. Also have the little amenities box that has extra items, toiletry items in it, like toothpaste and comb and things like that. And you have a door that you can close off to use the bidet. So it's really nice to have 2 bathrooms. So then you walk into the suite and you have your television that can come off the wall and pivot, and you have your sitting area, which is lovely, makes it feel more like home. So you can sit in the living room area. It's got a beautiful chandelier. I love all the backlighting and lots of little art pieces on the bookshelves. It just feels very homey and inviting. And if you go a little further, you have the dining area. So you can sit and eat your meals at a nice table that's big enough for you to sit at. Some pretty lighting. And then we still have the city view. So we will be able to see the fireworks. There's the grandstand for the fireworks. And so they will be right here above the water. And those are, in a couple nights, the fireworks finale. Beautiful view of the whole bay. Such a pretty city. Here's another bookshelf with lots of pretty knickknacks in there. And you can see this doorway goes to the master bedroom, but first we're going to go into this second bedroom. So you have a nice little twin bed with a dresser to put your things in. This room has its own thermostat, and we're on the 27th floor. And this also has a nice city view. You can close the blinds. And this room also has its own closet and slippers and a robe as well. So this would be great if you have an extra person with you, a child or a mother or something like that. This room has all of its own features. Again, we're back out in the living room and the kitchen. Now we're going to walk down the hall to the master bedroom. You have lots of places to turn on and off lights. So this door can shut, And you have some privacy, and you have your own closet. So plenty of places to sit your luggage. Again, you've got the slippers, you've got a scale and a shoe brush. And then over here we've got the same kind of features as the other room, where you've got the shelving and a safe. And then in this closet, you've got all the accessories that you need. You've got the ironing board and the iron, the flashlight, and you've got the robes. And I love how it lights up when you open it. And this is plenty of space. We've been using the one similar to this, and it's plenty of room to hang up your stuff. And then you have another place to sit and work. If you want a workstation, there's a desk with its own light. And then the king-size bed with the lovely artwork again. And the little nightstands, the drawers do not open. And then you've got another window here, and another city view window over here, and another television. And again, it can pull out and swivel, so you can adjust it to whatever angle you want the television to be. And it's got the nice halo lighting up above. Looks like a nice peaceful room. And it has its own ensuite right here, so you can shut the door. It's going to be lovely to have two bathrooms, his and her. And they have another shower with the rain head. Nice, you can step in there, and got all the toiletry items you need. And it's easy to pull this lever on and off. And this is a really nice shower. I haven't tried the rain head yet. I'm not a big fan of those, but I do like the drains. And then you've got the toilet with the spray. And I love how they have 2 rolls of toilet paper, so even if you run out of one, you've got another one. And I like the backlit mirrors. And they give you the little toiletry items as well. So it's nice to give you some toothpaste, you've got a comb, you've got a little hair scrunchie, got some Q-tips, cotton pad for makeup, even a sewing kit, and a shaving kit. And these are all complimentary. And if you use them, they'll just replenish it when they come and clean. Toothbrush. And this is nice, a little loofah. We'll use that in the shower. So there's one of these in the other bathroom as well. So plenty of space here. They give you a non-skid mat for the shower and a hair dryer and a lovely bathtub. It's always nice to have a bathtub just to soak with the ambient lighting. This is a really nice suite. This will be super fun, and we're super happy that we used our suite upgrade coupon to get the suite. We will especially enjoy having the living room, having a couch to sit on. It will be lovely to sit out here and watch television or work on YouTube videos or whatever we need to do. So I hope you enjoy this video of the Crowne Plaza City Center in DaNang. Beautiful DaNang, Vietnam. Hey guys, we wanted to show you, this is the little treat that we get here at the Crowne Plaza in DaNang at the city center. And we get this little box of chocolates every single night. So basically here at the Crowne Plaza, they will clean your room twice a day if you want them to. They come in the morning time like a normal cleaning service, and they make your bed and change your sheets and change your towels. And then at night they come and they turn your bed down and they put these chocolates on your bed by your pillow, and they will close the blinds for you, and they'll put your slippers by the bed, and they'll put water and just all the little fun little nightly things that they think you would enjoy having. And this is like a little puzzle box. So you slide this off and it says it's passion fruit bourbon and matcha bourbon. So there's 2 different pieces of chocolate in here.
Lay như này nó không lay nữa.